everybody, Chris here. So here is a dry setup of the Christman Son soundboard that I'm working on, making a panel. And just thought I'd show some of my little tools here. Here's the box of parts for the press. And this is how it goes in there. Let's see, that part right there is this part that pushes against the spruce. And this is the front part. It's got a little T-nut in there. And this is the dog in the back. And the dogs on both sides spread apart like that. And that's how it clamps the top part. So next is gluing this thing up.